Most people get this wrong when their Apple gift card does not work. They immediately think the card is fake or broken, and they panic. But here's the truth, no one tells you. In most cases, the card is fine. The problem is usually activation issues, region mismatch, or simple redemption mistakes. Quick promise for you. In this video, you will learn exactly why Apple gift cards fail in 2026, how to fix activation and redemption issues step by step, and how people like Alex or John successfully recover or use their balance without losing money. Let's start with the most common issue. Activation, delay, data. When you buy an Apple gift card from a store, it is not always active immediately. The cashier must activate it at checkout. If that step fails or is skipped, the card will show as invalid when you try to redeem it. Now here's where it gets interesting. Even if your card is activated, region mismatch can still block it. Apple gift cards are region locked. That means a US card will not work on an Indian Apple ID, and vice versa. So if Jake buys a card while traveling and tries to use it on a different account region, it will fail instantly. But here's the problem most users overlook. They enter the code incorrectly. Apple gift card codes are long and case sensitive. One wrong character or confusion between letters like O and 0 can cause an error. Always double check before submitting. Now, let's go step by step to fix it. First, verify your card status. If you bought it from a physical store, go back and ask for activation confirmation. If it was digital, check your email receipt and ensure the code matches exactly. Second, check your Apple ID region. Go to your account settings and confirm your country. If your gift card region does not match, it will not redeem. This is one of the biggest hidden reasons for failure. Third, try redeeming through different methods. You can redeem in the App Store, iTunes, or directly in account settings. Sometimes one method works even if another shows an error. Now let's talk about a smart trick. If the card shows invalid, do not retry too many times quickly. Apple can temporarily lock redemption attempts for security reasons. Wait a few minutes, then try again carefully. Another important point is scam prevention. Only trust cards purchased from official Apple retailers or verified stores. If the price seems too good to be true, it usually is. Now, here is a simple recovery path. If your card still does not work, contact Apple support with your receipt and card details. In many cases, they can verify and manually activate or replace it. So let's summarize everything. Apple gift cards usually fail because of activation delays, region mismatch, or input errors. Most problems are fixable and not permanent. And careful checking prevents almost all issues. If you understand this process, you will avoid wasting money and fix most gift card problems in minutes. If this helped, like the video, comment your issue, and subscribe for more simple tech fixes like this.